Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 4th chapter, that is the basic geometry. Okay, so students, in previous video already we have studied about that different parts they are related to that our geometry, but today we are going to discuss about that. Students, what is the polygon? Students, so many figures you have studied in that previous video. Okay, one simple curve, line segment you have studied, but today we are going to discuss, students, what is the polygon? Do you have idea? Did you hear this word? What is that polygon? Okay, students, polygon means it is a closed figure by the line segments. That means polygon is a closed figure by the line segments are called polygon. Okay, students. So how it is? What is that? We have to discuss. So many figures you have studied that, but which one is polygon and which one is not a polygon? How can we will identify? I will explain to you. So just listen. Okay. A simple closed figure made of line segments only is called polygon. That means you should observe here a simple closed figure. That means simple closed figure means it should not be intersect again. That is called a simple curve or simple closed figure. That means that figure should not be over track. That means one times only it will touch what is the first starting point and end points. It does not the intersect. That is called as a simple closed figure. And it should be made by the line segment only, not by the curve line. Okay, that is called as a polygon. Okay, you see I have drawn here 5 figures, so you should identify which are the polygon, which are not polygon. Okay, in the first figure you observe, friends, it is just like a triangle. Yes, and it is made by the line segments. Yes, 3 line segments are done, and it is also closed, does not intersect to each one, so it is a polygon. Yes, so we can write it is a polygon. Okay, this second figure observe, friends. This is also a line segment, this is also a line segment, this is line segment, this is line segment, this is line segment, and it is also closed, so it is also polygon. Okay, now third figure you should see, students. This is a line segment, okay, but this is curve line, so not polygon. Yes, it is not a polygon. So here this is only made by that curve line, closed figure, but it is made by curve line, so it is not a polygon. So it is also not polygon. Observe here, students, this one difference. It is a closed figure and it is made of a line segments, but it is not a polygon. Why? What that? I told if the line segment closed figure and line segment, that is called as a polygon. But here this is line segment made by line segment. It is also closed figure. But what is that? It is not a simple closed figure because it intersects here. Observe. That is 2 closed figure it is forming. So hence it is not a polygon. Did you understand? Students, very carefully understand, students. It should not be intersect. The closed figure should not be intersect, and it should be made by line segment. Okay, so this 1, 2, these 2 only the polygon, these 3 are not polygons. Okay, friends, now we discuss about the, friends, what are the sides, vertex and lines, what are the side, vertex and diagonals of a polygon. If it is a polygon, then what are the sides, what are the vertex, what are the diagonals of a polygon, we have to identify and you have to discuss. Students, write down sides, vertex and diagonals of a polygon. Okay, so suppose here, students, A, B, C, D, I have written that one polygon I have drawn here, A, B, C, D, E, A. Okay, so observe here, students, this is one of the polygon, is it? Yes, because it is made by line segment. Okay, and it is a simple closed figure, so it has how many line segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is just like a pentagon. Penta means 5, so pentagon we can say. But students, observe here, here which are the sides? Now that what is that line segment? I told we'll discuss sides, vertices and diagonals of a polygon. So first of all we will discuss what is the sides. Now the line segments are called sides of the polygon. What are the line segments? This is AB. This is one line segment. This is one line segment BC. This is one line segment CD. This is one line segment DE. This is one line segment. This is AE. So what are the line segments? Sides. The sides are AB. Yes, one line segment AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA. These are the sides of the polygon. This is one polygon. This is also one polygon. Yes or no? Yes. So these polygons contain how many sides, students? 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the line segments. So 5 sides. Second we will study, students, what is the vertices. Students, A, B, C, D, E are the vertices of the polygon. Students, observe the line segments are jointed. That point of these two line segment points. This is one. This is one. This is one. This is one. Joint of the line segments. So these are called as a vertices. What is that? Vertex or vertices in plural. Okay. So what are the vertices? Vertices A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E are the vertices of the polygon. Did you understand about, students? What are the vertices? Yes, the point, the corner points. So these are the vertices of the polygon. Next, students, diagonals. What are the diagonals, students? Students, diagonal means the line segment joining the two non-consecutive vertex. Two non-consecutive vertex is called diagonal. So that means already we know that vertex. This is one 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 vertex. But they are telling the line joining one vertex to one line we can join. Where not two consecutive. This is consecutive with this. This is consecutive with this. So we can draw 2D here. Okay. This is one diagonal. Did you understand, friends? Why? Because this is consecutive vertex. This is consecutive vertex. And remaining vertex if you join, that is these are the diagonals. These are also diagonals. Okay. If I will take this pointer, this no needed. These 2 points you don't have to take because this is consecutive vertex. This is consecutive vertex. Consecutive means nearby. So we can join from here to C. This is also one diagonal. This is also one diagonal. Yes. So these are the diagonals. Okay. That means if you take suppose one quadrilateral like that, if you take what is the diagonals? These points and these two are the diagonals. That means this point will join to here, not here, this not. Okay. So if you take join the two non-consecutive vertex, the line segment, that is called as what is that? Diagonals. Okay. Students, these are the about the sides, vertex and the diagonals of the polygons. Students, we will see that example 1. Classify the following curves as a open or closed. Whatever the curves that he has drawn, that shows which one is the open curves, open figures, and which one is the closed curves. We have to understand. Students, what is this? This is a closed. Yes, closed curves here. This is open. Why? Because it not jointed. This is one point, starting point and end points are the difference. This is closed. Why? Because there is no which one is the starting point, that is the end points. This is open. Okay. So this identify that which one closed curves or which one is open curves. We can find that way. We can understand. Friends, now we are going to study about that one important thing term related to the geometry, that is called as a angle. Friends, you have seen that what is that angle? You have, if you open your scissor, do you know? Scissor if you open, what is that cutting point? What is that sharp point, that cutting part, that middle? That is also one of the angle. Okay. So you can see that our wall clock or clock the two hands, if that not pointed in one by one, if they are making that angles. And your divider, if you open that, what is that is forming, that is also angle. We have to see what is that angle. Now angle is formed, angle is figure formed by the, what is that, two rays which one having common initial point. Rays means, do you have idea, students? Rays means which one having the initial point, there is no end points. Yes, this is called as ray. O, suppose this is A, this is one ray, and another one ray O B. Suppose OB is ray. That means if that these two rays are having common points what? O. So they will make that O is a common points, two rays. If by that way, by that two rays that forming that area, that is called as angle. So students, what is the definition? First of all, listen. An angle is figure formed by the two rays having the same initial point. You observe the figure, friends. This OA is one ray, OB is also one ray. That means common initial point. What is that? O. So OA, OB. That means this is called as angle. What is that? Angle. Okay, friends. That between that two rays, what is the forming that area? So that is called as angle. Friends, observe another one, friends. This point is called as vertex. Remember, friends, carefully identify where the initial point, that is called as vertex of the angle, and the two sides or two rays are called as arm of the angle. So one angle having two arm and one vertex. What is that vertex? This, and these are the arm. Okay, friends, I hope you have understood about this. What is the polygons and what are the closed figure, what is the open figure, what are the angles. Okay, I hope you have remember, and you should write on your classwork and send me compulsory, students. Okay, every day nowadays you are not sending, or some students only sending, but try to everybody send this all classwork and homework to me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.